Hi, this is Srihari from Artyka. I am here to teach you art and craft different activities and paintings. So those who are interested to learn art and craft activities or in school, whatever art integrated projects related with the subjects, if you want to learn that one, please subscribe our channel. So you will get every week one new activity which is related with you and you can improve your creative skills. So now children, if you have any activity which you want to do in your school or in your subjects, please write us your topic. So we will try to bring a new video with a new idea on given your topics. So please write the comment, subscribe our channel and bell the icon. Thank you. And now I brought one new product. Just you watch art and craft activity. Okay children, now today I will tell you how to make a craft activity of topic is a nest. So here nest is there, one circular form and bird. So first we will color this picture. Afterwards we will cut the shape, we fold from center and this bird we will place here. And then this object will convert in a 3D and it will swing also. Let's see how it will look. So you can use any colors. Here I am using poster color. You can use any colors.
This craft activity kit is contain 5 activities inside. So you can draw 5 different type of craft activities. This kit is available in the market in any shops. You can buy from there, or I am giving a link, online purchasing link in a description box. You can go through that, and online also you can purchase. In online it is available in a 200 rupees including postal charge. Those who are interested, they can buy from online also. It will reach you within 6 working days.
Painting is over. Now we will start the cutting work. First we will cut this circle and this bird. Fevicol. We will apply in the bottom part. Paste here and hold for few seconds. Now our next craft work is here. See, it's a beautiful toy. I will show you.